Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today is Friday, 24th of May, 12:26 p.m. So today, coming from this piece of crap Mac, which is slowly dying, overpriced piece of junk really. Anyways, I want to focus on Litecoin USD. If you look over at my current situation with the bot here, Litecoin is outperforming Bitcoin. Bitcoin hourly move, most recent 1.03, Litecoin at 1.20. So we're going to focus on Litecoin. This is a report that you can get from my analysis service. So we're just going to fire this up, this analysis. I've shown this a few times already, but the analysis I'm talking about is here under the Quant Analytics. Just go into the store and you'll find it very cheap at $47 a month, but this will be going up very soon, up to from $47 a month to $97 a month, with both crypto and forex trading signals and whatnot, customized for what people want. It also includes the lifetime access to the private chat server as well. So here we are with the chart for Litecoin. You can see here, just generated. This could be a potential reliable signal. These are rare for me to say this on these moving average crosses. But you can see here that we're way off from the high downward trend. It slowly coming back over trend. Fibonacci is not really meaningful there, but we'll look at that in a bit. This is the interesting thing, is that we have a bullish bat harmonic. This is still within our expectation of the head and shoulder, but this is where it really gets interesting. Right here on these particular candle patterns, 3 of them, bullish, 523 on May, that was yesterday, and if we believe that 24 hours ago, here we are with the biggest, highest performing pair out of the 5 that I watch, including Ethereum Classic, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin. So believing that, we would be up. And it went up quite a bit actually in the last 24 hours. You can see here, here's our performance since about January, March. This has been one of easily the best performing cryptos out there, even against Ethereum, and it has started peaking again, so it's starting to hit that new support level. So this is an interesting coin to watch. But the thing is that the overall space of the crypto asset class is just always under downward pressure, and my system can barely hang on to anything on the watch list. But here's that big move from yesterday. Do not be surprised that knowing this pattern, it will go back down because of the downward pressure. But here it is on the 30-day, and you can see this a big spike here of positive momentum. And it's not even showing any negative momentum since the beginning of May. That's pretty rare. Anyways, just thought I'd show that. In terms of the spreadsheet that I've shown before, one thing I did notice here on the, where is it, Litecoin, right here, Litecoin, the specific one we need to watch, and this is from a Kraken again, is this negative slope that was forming at the beginning of May. This may be coming back to potentially positive, give it a couple of weeks, but by then you want to catch it while we're in the bottom. So there's that. So how does this look for the next 2 days? Well, as you know, I can do the pricing Fibonacci. So here is what we're watching right here. Actually, let me show you this. So it's been flatlining, and all of a sudden it's just been boom, 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 with over 70 in the RSI. Pretty strong momentum since these moves. Where do we go from here? Well, historically what I see is, we've talked about this numerous times, on the Fibonacci level at 500. We have our entry at 618. did go through that 786 level, and it also currently, this is a 2-day view, hourly data, we've hit that one chart. So as I said, it may come down. If this momentum does continue, what I would expect to see is to see it oscillate between the 1 and the 0.786, and then over time it will drop off depending upon what things like Bitcoin do. But Bitcoin seems to be firming up a little bit, as you see here at 1.03. But if you want the most recent, which is in the last few minutes, I'll have that capability here. Here's the problem. Litecoin has moved up 1.78, but everything else is down. So this is really strong. You can see this 24-hour move, 14.85. But where's Bitcoin? It's moved 4.14 in the last 24 hours. So that's pretty good there. These two other ones, Binance Coin, Bitcoin Cash has been up 6.46. So knowing this, looking at these charts versus the 1 hour, is it better just to maybe trade on the day charts versus the hourly charts? That is something to consider, considering we do have strong upward moves, and easily the biggest outperformer on the 24-hour is definitely Litecoin. So this may continue, but at best what I do see happening is historically it will just oscillate between the 100 and the 786. So your pricing levels are between 99.59 at 786, with the Litecoin being at 103.34. So that's what I expect it to do, as hopefully roughly the support line is at the 236. So if it maintains these levels, we can hopefully quickly see this support translate into, over the next day, into stronger support levels at 500 if that continues. So for instance, I have the capability of, well, we can do a couple of things here. I can show you the risk on, let me just see here. So if I do a PWD, and then do the risk on for the last, let's say, 6 hours, we can quickly track what's been happening here. So starting at 524, May 24 at 3:42 my time, started at 2.095, but you can see it's weakened here at 803, weakened here, but it seems to be a little stronger as long as it doesn't move negative. That's on the risk on. So knowing that, if I go in and generate some more charts for the 24-hour, Litecoin USD for 1 day, this will give you a better synopsis on what's going on out there. So 24-hour daily moves were pretty strong for the last day, but let's check out where everything's at. Let me just click this and load up these new charts. So again, these are 24-hour moves. So you can see, well, it's safe to say the last 24 hours, even the last 12 hours, the 500 has been established for the last 12 hours. And you can verify that through the momentum here. But it's just strong, man. A $10 level, that's pretty good. And also, one thing we can look for is my current watch list on crypto. You can see here, crypto, it did drop it because of the negative moves. So it's been in and out. But I don't know, daily moves have been looking good for crypto for the last day. So who knows? But that's where it stands. Hopefully that'll help you out, and we shall talk to you soon. Have a good day.